How to buy VanKEDisi token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 372 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinGisco. To be able to buy this token, click on marks here. As you can see, you will be able to find the Radium. Now click on this pair and you will be able to redact it to Radium website. So what you need to do, I will just click on connect. Now click on understand. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't find your token here, you can go back to this token page on CoinGisco. Now go in the contracts and copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now go back and click here and select the Solana, paste the token address in the search bar, and you will be able to find your token here. Click on add token and click on it again to be able to see it here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now click on more info. Make sure to read all this information here. Click on swap, and you will be able to find a pop-up will be appearing from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy VanKEDisi token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.